Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain PowerSchool mobile app review to see if it was using. Just to get started with a review about PowerSchool Mobile. The PowerSchool Mobile is a school management app that allows students and parents to track grades, attendance, assignment, and schedule in real time. It provides a direct access to student progress and upcoming work, make it easier to stay informed and communicate with teachers. Many schools in the United States use Power Schools, and the app is available on both Android and iOS. Users like the convenience of checking grades and updates from their phone, especially parents with multiple children in school. On the downside, some users report problems with the app performance, such as the frequent crashes, the slow loading times, and login issues. Others mention that the interface can feel out of date and sometimes confusing, especially when navigating multiple students or schools. Despite these issues, PowerSchool Mobile is if your school system use it. It's one of the most frequent way to stay on the top of academic progress, even if the app comes with a few updates to improve the user experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. Maybe they turn on the visual button and make sure you subscribe for more app reviews. And that's it.